You aren't bad at content creation. It's so easy to think you're bad at this when you have millions of people to compare yourself to every second of the day. And funnily enough, people that only got in front of you because of their success. Videos that would get like 10k likes if given the chance are written in your head as failures. And you almost get embarrassed about something that you should be proud of. I've had countless videos over the last 3 or 4 years where I spent hours editing, designing the thumbnail, and was really proud of it at the end. I published it, and then a few days later, I found myself feeling ashamed of it because it only got 26 views. And this didn't just hurt me and my mental health, but it also soured my relationship with content creation. Going into the videos after, I felt myself almost dreading it. Or I'd enjoy making the video, but I'd have that thing in the back of my head that this is only gonna get 30 views anyway. My relationship with content creation was almost between me and that number, instead of me and the actual content, and potentially the loyal viewers that kept coming back to watch it, even if they were only 10 people. And I really had to learn, and you probably should too, to stop beating myself up over things I can't control. That's not only in YouTube and content creation, but in life as well. Because with view counts, sub counts, impressions, despite its importance in most of our heads, it shouldn't matter, at least not yet. To break through with content creation from scratch is extremely hard, especially in the mid-2020s when everyone's doing it. And often what isn't shown is how long some of your favorite creators had to grind and make videos in front of no one until they got their success. We see their massive subscriber count and their views rocket past yours in 2 seconds, or that they've made $50,000 in a day, and it makes you feel so inferior, embarrassed, and almost stupid, like you're missing something. But the reality is, a lot of their success went something more like this. Nothing for an infuriating period of time, multiple points where they felt like quitting and probably would have been justified doing so, and then something fell for them further down the line, or they realized something that could boost them more, and right there they enter the game. Content creation is cruel to most of us at the start, but I think this is mostly just due to the fact that there's millions of people fighting for the same job and the same attention. For example, when some of these older creators first started, they had like 1/10 of the competition. YouTube had significantly less users and they could dominate entire topics, mainly just because they were early and they had the balls to put themselves out there. Whereas now, there's thousands of creators exactly like you, probably in your niche alone. So as much as it may not be what you want to hear, you have to treat content creation as a hobby towards the beginning, instead of just some path that's going to blow you up and make you rich tomorrow. You have to do this consistently and treat it the same as if you were wanting to lose a load of fat or build a load of muscle. You wouldn't expect it to all pile on you the next day or in a month's time. If you really want to make this work, you have to make it a long-term commitment and keep showing up, even if nothing is showing up in your analytics. Very similar to investing in a low-risk stock. It almost seems stupid right now, because over a year you might not even make a couple of $100s. But over 3, 4, 5 years, something might happen that changes your life. It's just because the majority of people will leave too early because it feels like a colossal waste of time. You have to try and control your emotions when everyone is losing their head. Just keep providing quality consistently throughout storms of getting 10, 20 views. Iterate and see how you can change things to improve it slowly but steadily, and be kinder to yourself. Enjoy it and accept the struggles. Something will eventually fall in your direction in the future if you keep this up. Just because you're getting low views doesn't mean that you're bad at content creation. I've gradually leveled up my videos over the last 4 years from something like this to a video like this, which I think is really quality, well edited, well thought out. I'm still not getting many views for it. And I'm pretty confident if you or I uploaded a video of this quality back when maybe the Sidemen was starting in 2012, we'd probably dominate the space. It's just the digital world we're in now, where it's so much more complicated to get that viewership. Just dial in your mindset, lock in for the long haul if you want to make this work, and we'll get there eventually. And if you want to know how to make money with content creation, even if you have barely any audience, click this video right here. And I've also made for you some creator resources that could really help. Just click the link in the description.